Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on a GMC Acadia. First, park your vehicle on a flat surface, about 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is correct and the fuel tank is at least half full for accurate measurements. Use tape to mark the wall, indicating the center of each headlight and the height of the beam's brightest point. This preparation ensures a precise and effective adjustment process for optimal visibility. Now, let's find those adjusters. Open your Acadia's hood to get a clear view of the headlight assemblies. You'll be looking for two specific screws on each headlight, one for vertical adjustment and another for horizontal. These are usually small, often plastic, and located on the back or top of the headlight housing. Sometimes a Phillips head screwdriver or a Torx bit is needed. Identifying them correctly is key to a successful adjustment. With the adjusters located, it's time to fine-tune your beams. Turn on your low beams. For vertical adjustment, turn the screw until the top of the brightest part of the beam is about 2 inches below your marked line on the wall. Next, for horizontal adjustment, turn the other screw to center the beam directly on the vertical mark you made. Take your time and make small turns for precise results, ensuring proper alignment. After adjusting, step back and verify both headlights are properly aimed and aligned on the wall. Also, don't forget to test your high beams to ensure they function correctly with the new alignment. Proper headlight adjustment significantly improves night driving safety for you and others. Remember to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals to keep your car fresh. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.